If you're looking to check the responses from your Jotform, here's how to quickly view your form submissions. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Jotform website. Log into your account using your credentials or sign up if you're new. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored. Now, head to the My Forms page. From here, locate the form whose submissions you'd like to view. If you have several forms, use the search bar at the top to find the right one quickly. Once you spot your form, click on it to select it. At the top of the screen, you will see a Submissions button. Click it and Jotform will open Jotform Tables, where all your form responses are stored and neatly organized. Each row represents a single submission and each column corresponds to a form field, making it easy to review names, emails, answers, or any other details you've collected. You can also sort, filter, or search within your submissions to analyze your data more efficiently. Clicking on any individual submission lets you view all the details in one place. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can access, review, and manage all your Jotform submissions in one clean, organized space, helping you make better decisions based on your collected data.